I'm Brandon, founder of Land AI. I ran call centers for years, have done over 10 million cold calls, and captured tens of thousands of land leads. I'm going to be very candid here and show you dashboards, behind the scenes data that we operate on. And this will be really insightful just to see how we're actually measuring this. Because when we start to talk about lead quality control and what that looks like, it defines how well a company can operate, because automation without a bunch of oversight is chaos. That's why we built an entire human plus AI feedback loop in every part of the system, from calling to routing to the CRM delivery. Here's exactly what it looks like. First, I'll show you our cold calling command center. This is our cold calling command center. This is where we can see every active campaign, overall trends, answer rates, performance, and data by county, caller, and client. It's if a specific county underperforms or a caller's connection rate dips, we can watch it immediately here. From there, the next thing is the Land AI coaching bot. This QA and coaching run by AI is our internal training and coaching system. It's connected to every recorded call. So we can literally ask it questions like, show me calls where the seller mentioned price, but the caller didn't follow up, or summarize patterns and motivation from the past week, or let me look at Bree and her patterns over the last month and what she needs coaching on. It lets us coach faster, correct weaknesses instantly, and scale best practices across every rep. And honestly, this itself could be its own mini SaaS product. We built it just to make our internal operations exceptional, but we could sell this on its own. Next, I'm going to show you the Land AI dashboard. That's where AI and human QA come together. Every conversation passes through 3 stages. AI routing. So Maya classifies pre-qualified leads, nurture leads, and dead leads. Then it goes through a QA review with a real person who verifies tone, notes, and accuracy. And then it goes through correction and delivery. So only reviewed leads are in the client's CRM. Whenever they're routed into the CRM, we get human eyes on it and make sure they landed in the right spot. We track all of this: routing accuracy, QA turnaround time, per caller metrics in real time, right on the dashboard. And this is what it looks like here. This is one of our clients' dashboards. So you can see this month, we've sent them 600 leads, 157 have been qualified. Over time, this is where the big numbers pattern starts to play out. You can see we've sent 300 total leads. Out of those, 3,000. Out of those 3,000, 585 have been pre-qualified. So that means those are the only, out of these 3,000, our clients only needed to actually call back and deal with 585. And out of those, they have gotten 47 contracts signed for about $4 million of pipeline value. These numbers are the magic of what Maya does. It takes what would be 3,000 cold call leads, that would be a nightmare, and take a massive team to sort through. And it takes it down to 585 leads, which is something that's reasonable for a team to keep track of as they scale. Now we'll quickly jump over into the pipeline. This is where the pre-qualified leads land. This is where everything lands. It's sorted cleanly into pre-qualified leads and then leads that we are going to nurture over time. Every record includes full transcripts, notes, property data, links to comps. Clients can open any seller conversation and know exactly what's been said. That's what I mean when I talk about operator grade automation and the land business professionalizing. We're not using AI to replace people. It's AI handled by people. Humans review every decision, coach every rep, and protect every client interaction. And that's how we make sure nothing slips through the cracks as we automate and professionalize the land investing game.